So we're going to talk about comparing problems. And this is where somebody or something either has more than or less than the other person or thing in the problem, or they, an item is longer or shorter, or person is taller, or they run faster. So there's lots of different ways that you can, those comparison words, tell us that this is a comparison problem. So the one that we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about how there's 3 different types of actually comparison problems. So all the information is going to stay the same, but the question is going to be about different things. And so because the questions are going to be, one time the question will be about the little, one time the question will be about the difference, and one time the question will be about the big. And so that changes what operation you would use, to whether you would use addition or subtraction to solve it. So let's start out and we'll say that there's 2 kids and they have different amounts of money. So I'm going to use Charlie has more money than Carla. And if Charlie has more money, then Charlie is going to be the big. And Carla is going to be the little. Now, if it said Charlie has $8 and Carla has $3, how much more money does Charlie have than Carla? Then this asking about the difference. It's not asking how much money Carla has. It's not asking how much money Charlie has. It's asking, hey, what's the difference between the 2? So you put your question mark here. And if it's about one of these small pieces here, that means you're going to subtract. Okay. But we could have the same scenario. We could still have Charlie has $8. Carla has some amount of money, but we know that she has $5 less than Charlie does. So we don't know how much Carla has. That's our question. We just know that she has less than him. We know she has $5 less than him. So if our question is how much money does Carla have, that's the question's about Carla. We're going to put our question mark here, which means it's about the little piece. And to get that answer, we would subtract, right? Here's 8 here. There's 5 here. We'd subtract to find out that Carla has 3. But what if it just told us Carla has $3, Charlie has $5 more than Carla, how much money does Charlie have? So we know this is Carla, we know this is Charlie. Charlie's still a big because he has more than. But this time the question is about what Charlie has. So if we know Carla has 3 and Charlie has $5 more than Carla, so it doesn't say Charlie has $5, it says he has $5 more than Carla does, then you would add these 2 together to get what Charlie has. So if the question is about one of the little pieces, you're gonna subtract, but if it's about the big piece, you're gonna add.